Som Tam, also known as green papaya salad, is a popular and flavorful Thai dish. It combines the freshness of raw vegetables with a tangy and spicy dressing. Here's a recipe to guide you in making Som Tam. Ingredients: 2 cups shredded green papaya. Substitute with shredded carrot if green papaya is not available. 4 to 5 cherry tomatoes, halved. 2 to 3 Thai bird's eye chilies, finely chopped. Adjust according to your spice preference. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons fish sauce. 1 tablespoon tamarind paste. 1 tablespoon palm sugar. Substitute with brown sugar if palm sugar is not available. Juice of 1 lime. 2 tablespoons roasted peanuts, crushed. 1 to 2 tablespoons dried shrimp, optional. Fresh cilantro leaves, for garnish. Instructions: 1. In a mortar and pestle, pound the garlic and Thai bird's eye chilies together until they form a coarse paste. If you don't have a mortar and pestle, you can use a food processor or finely chop the garlic and chilies with a knife. 2. Add the shredded green papaya, or carrot, to the mortar and gently pound with the pestle for a minute. This helps to soften the papaya and allow it to absorb the flavors. 3. Add the halved cherry tomatoes to the mortar and lightly crush them with a pestle, just enough to release their juices. 4. In a small bowl, combine the fish sauce, tamarind paste, palm sugar, and lime juice. Stir well until the sugar is dissolved. 5. Pour the dressing over the ingredients in the mortar and use a spoon or pestle to mix everything together, ensuring that the dressing is evenly distributed. 6. Add the crushed peanuts and dried shrimp, if using, to the mortar and give it a final mix. 7. Taste the Som Tam and adjust the flavors according to your preference. You can add more fish sauce for saltiness, lime juice for sourness, or palm sugar for sweetness. 8. Transfer the Som Tam to a serving plate and garnish with fresh cilantro leaves. Som Tam is traditionally eaten with sticky rice, grilled chicken, or other Thai dishes. Serve it as a refreshing salad or as a side dish with your favorite Thai meal. Note: if you prefer a milder version, you can reduce the amount of Thai bird's eye chilies or remove the seeds before chopping them.